What's going on, you guys? Aaron here from Departures Capital. Give me 2 seconds. I'm just setting up my office here, but it's 2:30, so I had to click the button because we scheduled our stream for 2:30. So just give me 1 sec. I'm just trying to pull up the markets. We're seeing a further sell-off. Man, okay, 1 second here. Let me just... All right, that's exactly what we wanted. Let me just fit this to screen. Stretch to screen. Okay, perfect, guys. That's not the one we want. And that is the one we want. All right. How's everybody this fine afternoon? Only going to be live for 30 minutes, maybe a tiny bit more. But thanks for tuning in. Just got to quickly pull up the chat, then we can get straight to business. I got notifications on for you. Thank you. What's up, Doug? Check me out now. What's up? I'm the second. I was your first. Like. Thank you. Cool, guys. Let me just put it on this computer. We got the chat over here. What is this? How to install. All right. No. Where's those free beats? All right. So let's check in on things here. So we've got a nice sell-off. Market's continuing to sell off. Down 1.3%. How to install a virus. If Monday gets any green after, I feel like cashing my portfolio. Getting nervous. Yeah, it's getting a bit shaky, that's for sure. We can read this new article that just came out. Take a look at the S&P 500. Take a look at our different portfolios. We'll post the link when we get over 40 people. I didn't get to that just yet. But we're seeing the utility stocks run like crazy today. Let's check in on the copper stocks. Might be a good buying opportunity soon. We're seeing London Mining down 6%. Trilogy Metals. I'm glad I waited. I was maybe gonna buy some tomorrow, some today, but I didn't end up doing it. What's up, Josh? How's everybody today? I'm in this. We should have sold yesterday. We are seeing a couple stocks in the green, and we are seeing MedMen hold on to half of those gains that we saw in the morning, which is all right. Not too many stocks in the green, though. Green Thumb, Alternative Health, Oscan. Oscan's finally having a green day. Matica Enterprises, MedMen, and Namaste. That's all we got. London Mining's taking a really nice dip today. Let's take a look at commodities. Pretty much across the board, we're down for commodities: crude, natural gas, even silver's in the red. Copper's on 1.89%. We haven't really looked at the charts for copper itself, so that might be something interesting to take a look at as well. I learned about an important lesson as a new investor recently. Hero is right. Oh, I can't wait to hit the gym today, guys. I had a weak workout yesterday. I had to rush. I was in a rush. It was really weak. Can't be having that. I'm also dieting on the weekends too. Only one cheat meal per week. So that's it. When do I think the Aurora deal is coming? Damn, man, I wish I knew. We've been waiting on that. Aaron, the type of dude that half reps on everywhere. That's jokes. No, I try not to, because that's weak. Biggest decliners in the cannabis sector, Flower One, Match Capital. Ooh. We're seeing BGRD down to 15 cents. Now's the time to potentially be raising some cash for the next pullback, because we could see some deals. We could see some deals in the next couple days. IIPR is even having a red day. Finally, the index as a whole is down about 3%. Where's water? 365. I'm still patient. Still patient with water. Aaron, is there any way to copy your portfolios? Send me a message and I can just send you it's an Excel spreadsheet. I'm pretty sure you can re-upload that into investing.com. So just send me a message and I can send you that Excel spreadsheet. I believe I did it once on the Discord group. So join the Discord group. Here, we'll just copy that. Just copy that in the yeah. We got two of the same thumbnails. I'm gonna have to change the thumbnail.
Get
on this
incredible.
one, uh-oh. Let's go here. Where's the live chat? Okay. This is not, sorry guys, that's my old video. That's my old video. What the hell am I doing? Okay. Yeah, so there's the group. Oh shoot, I gotta tell everybody in the group that I'm live. Oh shoot. Okay. Matt just joined the server. What's going on, Matt? I see you in there. All right, and I need to do one more final thing. I just need to change the thumbnail for this stream. I'm sorry about that, but we'll get to a couple things while we wait for that to load. So Wall Street tumbles this week. Factory data fuels slowdown worries. Wall Street's main index tumbled 2% on Friday after a raft of weak manufacturing data from the US and Europe led to an inverted yield curve, stoking fears of an economic slowdown. Manufacturers in Europe, Japan, and the US suffered in March as surveys showed trade tensions had impacted factory output, a setback for hopes the global economy might be turning the corner on its slowdown. This led to the spread between 3-month Treasury bills and the 10-year notes inverting for the first time since 2007. So as the yield curve moves up, that short term, 3 month, 6 month, 1 year, 2 year, it's not good for financials, as banks like to lend out for a higher rate, and now they can't because people can get the same amount of interest for a short-term bond. I sold my ACB yesterday and bought it all back this morning. Good stuff, good stuff. Big letter in the house. Where's big letter? What's up, Tom Friska? Frisia. I hope that's how you say it. That might be who we're talking about. Hey man, can you post that Excel spreadsheet? Yes. Okay, so let me just find it. Oh, perfect. Open file location. I'll put that on the... Are you in the Discord group? If you're in the Discord group, I'll just post it or send it directly to you. So let me know. I can't post it on YouTube, unfortunately. Okay, cool. Let me just... I'll drop it in there right now. There we go. My watch list. So you should be able to see it in the general chat. We got a couple new people, guys. Thank you for joining. It's like every day we get a couple new people. It's awesome. So back to biz. I just wanted to look at BGRD real quickly. We've got that cup and handle pattern twice. We'll see if it's going to hold on to 15.5 cents today. One to watch. All right, let's take a look at the copper futures. John, yes, I sold 2 days ago. Anyway, there's been an edge of my seat. BGRD has barely any volume. That's true. That's what I think is going to happen. Kind of 60% on waiting. So just tune into Tom the Trader's channel if you want more information on BGRD. That's just one I've been following for a while, but not too sure exactly what's going to happen with it. Also, do you have any advice on Amazon stock and how's it going? How's it going? We'll take a look. Look at copper. My goodness, copper is at... I just want to look at this first. Copper's up quite substantially since 2008. Wow. Copper had a massive sell-off. Charts right now for copper are all right. Let's look at gold. Of course, gold is a little bit more defensive, so it's outperformed copper recently. But in the last year, gold and copper have been almost the same. Recently, they're pretty much performing just like each other. Wow, that's awesome to see. We didn't see any news on ACB. We're just watching the stock as it sells off, but a lot of the stocks are selling off. Then we'll look at Amazon. As the markets continue to pull back, though, ACB is going to do the same thing. What else are we looking at? Amazon. Amazon.com. Down 2%. So for anyone asking about Amazon right now, I'm not very bullish on tech. I'm not very bullish on growth stocks other than cannabis stocks. I think the broader US market could see more weakness, especially after that nice run-up we've had all the way since December. Although Amazon went sideways for quite a while, right at around 16 to 16.50. So it's hard to say, but if the market pulls back, I think we'll see Amazon pull back further. Oil headed back to 57. By the looks of it. Bullish on Bezos' ex-wife. Yeah, didn't she get a nice deal? What's poppin', Armando? I'm actually feeling a little bit sleepy right now. The tea wore off for the first round. MedMen finally made me some money. Yes, Nikki, I know, right? MedMen's finally pushing over $4. That's exactly what I like to see. We're in the green on MedMen as well. So cheers. Get that drops in. It's a tough spot for crude right now. With global growth concerns, it's kind of putting a lid on crude. But then at the same time, commodities and the US dollar, I feel like the US dollar needs to come down, so. Oil between 55 and 60 might be an interesting place for it to sit. I'm pretty neutral on oil, especially after this run that we've had. It's just hard to see where the growth's gonna come. Dude, can you please get some music? Spend a few bucks and get some music. This music's putting you to sleep. Here, okay, we'll get a better beat. Yeah, the music does suck though. Great recommendation. It's actually putting me to sleep. Maybe that's true. You know what? I'll find a new channel. We'll type in free vlog music. Free copyright. Free. There we go. Need some Snoop Dogg for the weed stock. And a new cash button. That's not the cash button. Oh, okay, we're going back to vlog music, no copyright. And we'll just play the playlist and we'll just see how it goes. Here you go, Steve. Crank this stuff for you. No, I look like it. Nah. There you go. Just picture Steve swinging around a couple glow sticks in his tight fluorescent lime green shorts with some neon body paint at the club with this song. I'm sure that'd be something to see. I can totally see that. What's up? What's up, guys? Just making jokes. Imagine the brand recognition. That'll get him brand recognition worldwide. With his banana hammock, you just get a boner from that thought. No comment. You're hilarious though. Oh yeah, shoot, guys. Hit that like button. Now we can finally change the thumbnail. Can't use the same thumbnail twice. So let's hope that MedMen holds on to their gains here. It's unfortunate that MedMen had such a great announcement on such a crappy day on the markets. I feel like the stock would have ran up a lot more if we weren't seeing such a crappy day. What's up, Kim Jong? Kim Jong Skills. Hello from Sweden. You got a beautiful country. Steve just keeps getting away. Halifax, never been out east, but I feel like it would be very relaxing. Hello from Pyongyang. I'm betting on ACB news soonish. You know, what I hope doesn't happen? What I hope doesn't happen is ACB gets a bunch of good news when the market starts to tank. Because that's exactly what happened the last time ACB had their run. And it's almost like ACB gets the crappy end of the draw. Like, if you guys look at it, ACB, the last time we had a run to 16 bucks, it was basically stalled because all the stocks tanked after legalization and the market tanked. And it looks like the market's getting shaky again too. So ACB is finally trying to have its run. Now it's running out of momentum again. We'll see what happens. What's up, Norbert? Sam G, it's a penny stock worth $4 billion. Hot stock today, MacArthur Minerals Limited, MMS. See, this is what I love about you guys. You just talk about the stocks and then I'll just take a look at them. Up 110%. The stock had a nice run up to it, so 2.5 cents to 10 cents. I'd love to go to Florida, man. Let's see what MacArthur Minerals, why they're up. Clarifies disclosure. Result of review by the investment industry. The company is issuing the following news. Securing this approximately $4 billion US purchase agreement ensures consistent long-term revenue to the company. Okay, so that's why the stock's up. Damn. That's awesome. $4 billion 10-year deal. That's not the right button. Steve, were you in on that one too? Picking all the winners? This is better. Come on, Steve. You got to give me credit for this song. It's a little bit better, maybe. Okay, so that's how you guys know. Yeah. What am I saying? I just saw that. I just saw the live stream. I mentioned that yesterday morning, Aaron, here and in your Discord. Don't always have time to check all the messages. My apologies. Great pick, though, if you mentioned it yesterday morning, too, because the stock ran like crazy. Oh, let's take a look and see. Oh, there's two stocks I want to look at. Belmont Resources. Belmont Resources had a press release yesterday, but I'm going to kind of assume it's pulling back a bit today. We'll see. I haven't looked at it yet. Nope, it's flat, 4 cents. And then IMT. See how IMT is doing today. It was at 7 cents. Had to average out my 31 cents, of course. Steve doesn't have a crystal ball. Steve has people who let him know that stuff to see for myself. What's up, what's up, Laura? How are you? Cresco. Cresco Labs. Yep, ACB's got 1 billion shares. Have a feeling they'll try to buy back shares. Maybe at one point. Now this song's getting boring. I've heard that song in a lot of vlogs. IMT doing us millionaires. Hopefully IMT explodes soon. That'd be nice to see. Sorry if this is too loud. Oh. It's all about trying to get the right timeline. Who's going to invest, partner, and when? Here's comes power hour, folks. Yes, it does. Seven minutes away. Let's see if the markets can start to pick back up a bit. Hello, IGPK CBDs. We'll see what's up. I'm so excited to hit the gym today. Oh my gosh, it's going to be great. What'll happen Monday? That's a great question. I wish we knew. Is it a minor road bump in the rally? Or is this the start to the next pullback? Let's take a quick look at the VIX. The VIX is something that we haven't looked at in a while, and I do expect a spike for the VIX. Up 7%, not a big move though. The VIX has pulled back a little bit since we hit highs of 17. What do I say, guys? It's hard to say. It's hard to say. Look at when the VIX plummeted. Then gapped up. Look at that massive gap up on the VIX on the 18th. When was the 18th? Talk to many people here about the cannabis market, and every time I bring it up, people look scared like there's something wrong with me. I don't understand how big the cannabis market is going to be. Whoopsies. We're looking at the 18th here. The VIX gapped up like crazy on the 18th. Wondering why. Holy smokes, guys. Sorry about that. Oopsies. Yeah, so the volatility is up like crazy. Obviously, it makes total sense. I mean, it's been a lot more volatile recently. The VIX has been climbing pretty substantially recently, at least. So okay, guys, let's check the comments real quick, and then I'll post a link to you know, we got to do that once in a while. I also want to change this this thumbnail. It's kind of bugging me, the fact that it's the same one. I don't like to use the same thumb too much, so I'll just do that real quick. Max, what's up? Yes, sir. Water's slowly and surely tanking, but I am not buying that until it goes below 350. Not buying it. No, sir. Power hour doobie time. Am I lagging? Looks like I'm lagging. I'm not buying anything till huge hits 50 cents. We'll take a quick look at huge for you. I think it's probably having a less than huge day though. Oh, it's flat. You're lucky. You escaped the sell-off. Might it be time to buy more FSD Pharma? The oil's pretty good. I find when I take it, the first hour, I'm like super focused, maybe sometimes a little too focused, and it might be good to take if you're just relaxing, because your mind is like super clear. Vivid Farms LLC, what's going on? Your messages got put to the back of my inbox. I'm sorry. Feel free to talk in the chat about anything. You find when you take it in the first hour, you're... Steve, what the hell? We're gonna hit 100 people. That's cool. 39 likes, guys, though. That's a kind of little bit weak. Hit the like button. Steve's making jokes about CBDs. CBD liquid, this stuff. There we go. But it's see-through. I already took one dose. I don't need any more right now. Shout out to Jordan, the operator / investor. Are you a smooth operator? Just looking at some recent news. Thank you, sir. I got 1 like, but I got 2 dislikes in that span of time, so that's crappy. Who hit the dislike button? Thanks, guys. Where's my secret haters? Where's my secret haters? I'm gonna find you guys. Doubts increase that first quarter will be earning. Doubts increase that first quarter will be earnings low point. There's probably people out there that don't like me. I mean, that's human nature to not like someone for whatever reason it might be. Maybe they don't like my voice. Maybe they don't like my attitude. Maybe they don't like this button. That's life. As Wall Street braces for what may be the first U.S. profit decline since 2016, investors say the first quarter may not mark the low point for 2019 earnings. Might be my hair too. My hair is very manageable though, Steve. Yeah, I still get a view out of them, and I still get some people just can't have fun. Was the ACB dip because it can't be spike? Hair on point today. I like you. You're pimping for tea. Thanks, buddy. So we'll just finish off this quick little article. Concerns about economic weakness in the U.S. and abroad, and the lack of U.S.-China trade deal are hanging over the outlook as the Federal Reserve's dovish stance on interest rates is expected to relieve some of the pressure on companies. Another potential reason to worry, the spread of between yields on Treasury bills and the 10-year note, closely watched signal the health of the economy, inverted on Friday for the first time since 2007. So we know why the markets are down. Lack of data, good data. And the 10-year is selling off like crazy. Down 3.31%. Big sell-off in the 10-year again. I heard rumors that Trump got arrested. What's up, Jay? I always like your opinion. Thank you for the extra like. Yeah, financials are taking it badly today. On late Friday, now we are out of recession. Trump nominates his former campaign advisor to Fed board. What's the better buy, Organigram or CanTrust? What did you buy? Trump wants a weak dollar. That's great news, because gold's gonna friggin' soar, if that's true. Breaking news air. Stevie. What's up, Stevie? So, I'm not going to get into Canadian politics because I got a little bit of negative feedback, which is fair. Everyone has their opinion on politics, so I ain't talking about no Canadian politics. RNX. Yeah, no Canadian politics. I've only said a few negative things, and a lot of people agreed, but some people disagreed, and I'd rather have that not happen. I'm bullish on Kevin O'Leary. What company are we looking at here, Max? What company might this be? Royal Nickel Corporation. RNX is looking pretty good, around 50 cents. Yeah. Yeah, I agree. I'm not talking about politics. The only politics I'll talk about is when something comes out in the news regarding politics that's affecting the stock market, and I won't give my opinion on it. Or I'll just say, oh, maybe he should do this or that, whatever. But I end political discussions from the start. Just say they're all criminal, and I don't support criminals. Did you see this? What's that, Jay? Oh, shoot. RNX is down 1 cent. Sit on cash. Sit on cash. Cash is never a bad idea at this time. We're not really seeing any gains put in for Power Hour. Power Hour might look like it's going to be a sell-off into the close. Let's pull up the 5-minute charts here. 1-minute charts. Oh, we can do 1-minute charts. That's awesome. No. So this is the whole day. I don't know if we're going to see much of a recovery for the rest of the day. It's been a pretty straight shoot down. I don't mind though. I'm all right with the market selling off a bit more. I want to pick up some copper stocks. This is almost a perfect time to go shopping. Not saying the market won't sell off more, but I'm going to do a video on copper over the weekend. And there's lots of companies we're looking at. There's really nice declines in some of these stocks. It's awesome. Uh-oh. We are on with Midas Letter. He's got 126 people, guys. He's winning, unfortunately. I should go say what's up. We only have 94. Hit that like button. I'm just kidding. I don't really care. Of course, I'd like to be in the lead, but it's all good. Do you think your chart platform you use is up to date? I think it's 15 minutes behind. Some stocks it is. Max, I like that. Well, CNBC analysts say all stocks are cheap. That's a joke. Ed promoting the end of the world. You almost have more than Midas. Wait till Hexo hits 750. So obviously, eventually, cannabis is gonna smoothen out, mature. That's why I talk about all different kinds of stuff here, guys. Mining stocks, tech stocks, cannabis. Because I want this channel to be sustainable. Our stream sustainable. Your wealth sustainable. That's why I talk about defensive stocks like boring energy companies that make a lot of money. Any biotech stocks you follow or are interested in? Sorry, John. I actually don't cover biotech. That's the one sector I know like 0. nothing about. I'll be honest with you. In retirement homes, because people are getting old. Yes, couldn't agree more. Been investing heavily into retirement homes. I really think that those are the stocks that's gonna do well. Kim Jong, bye-bye. Like if we look, guys, I put this portfolio together last week. Defensive 2019. Ooh, Vigil Health is down 10%. That's nice. Been watching this one. What a decline on that one. But yeah, long story short, I mean, look at this. These are all the utility codes that I selected, as well as Bell, Capital Power, Extended Care, Northland Power, Hydro One. Bought some Hydro One. Amira, Algonquin, Canadian Utilities, Atco. All in the green today. Pure Multifamily REIT, flat today. Yeah. SIS, is SIS on here? Maybe I didn't add it to the list. We own Severia. I like Severia. It's a great old person stock, you're right. Severia down 2.95% today though. I feel like this company is a little bit more prone to sell-offs, whereas the healthcare REITs are going to be a little more defensive. Paying a 3% dividend, so pretty good. Here you go. 0.22 might go through. Did you ever go over any news articles about ACB? No, there wasn't really any news articles about ACB today. Honestly, the title for my stream, I keep it the same, and then I just change the afternoon to morning, afternoon, morning. But you will hear about any news about ACB. I promise you. So, Severia does look like it could be hitting some support soon, hopefully. But yeah, anyways, guys, I just plan on going live for a little bit. So one thing I got to do also, because we might have some new people in here. Shoot, I should have been dropping this before. So if you guys are new to the stream, we've got a Discord group. Drop that link right now, and I'll show you what it's all about. Anybody who hasn't joined yet, you guys should check it out. We've got a Discord group. It's awesome. We've got almost 350 members. We talk about stocks all day. All different kinds of stocks, charts, etc., etc. And I recently just posted my, where is it? Thank you for joining. See, there we go. We just got a bunch of memes. Thank you, Steve. But there was, I just posted my stocks portfolio watch list for 2019. That there's basically like 69 or 71 holdings in there, stocks to watch. So if you guys want that info, just join the group. Everything's free. And yeah, I have no idea how to monetize Discord. I don't know. Is that a thing? Like, I'm just simply doing it because I want to build like this community, but I don't know. Is that a thing? I don't really care about monetizing, like if it's gonna be a big inconvenience. Like, I know the ads on my videos are sometimes annoying. That is something I did want to monetize. That'd be hilarious though. If it's like one little banner ad, you know, I wouldn't be opposed to it, but that was not the plan. Don't get me too excited, Jay. All right, so go through a couple more things, then I'm gonna head out because I want to shoot my market minute video and get on with things so I can go to the gym. Just a lady on the internet, always do your due diligence. I'm just a dude on the internet, always do your due diligence. That is true. Great disclaimer, Nikki. Due diligence is extremely important. Oot and a boot. That's exactly how I say it. Out and about. Out and about. I don't like due diligence. I prefer. Oh, that's funny, Max. You're a joker. All right, one last check in on the portfolio, and then we need to head out the door. Namaste is the top performing stock on the day. Wow. MedMen holding on to those 6% gains. Charlotte's Web, Oxley Cannabis, Green Thumb, FSD is in the green. Oh my gosh, 23 cents. Max, buddy, what a great day. That's pretty much it. Biggest decliner, Flower One, Vivo, Pure Global, 1933 Industries, NBev. Where is water? I want to see water at 340. Max, like MedMen, right? What did we say? MedMen's killing it. Oh, but yes, guys. Thank you very much for tuning into my stream. I am going to go shoot a video now because it's that time. The market's almost closed. We've got a lot of red to talk about. So, third red day. What kind of tea did you make? That's the last thing we'll talk about. Good luck, our MJ investors. Good luck, everybody. I hope you have a happy weekend. I'll do some, ooh, nice green tea jasmine. I'll do maybe a couple streams this weekend. So we'll just have a quick chat. Aaron, put a bud in your tea kettle. That'd be great. I love how you guys are drinking tea. I will release some. I need to make some kind of Departures Capital green tea. Thank you so much for joining my Discord group. Happy to have all you guys there. Feel free to chat to me all the time. And if I don't respond from the general message, just send me a personal message because we got a bunch of people in there now. So we'll talk to you guys soon. Hit that like button.